Share this video about making your own detailing spray. Today, everybody. How's everybody doing today? Today it's nice out finally for a couple days anyway. And today I'm going to share this video about making your own detailing spray. But before I get started with it, I got the idea from a couple YouTube channels, detailing channels, Dallas Paint Corrections and Pan Organizer. They have videos about this. And I figured, well, since a lot of my viewers, my friends here on YouTube, don't follow those channels, and I figure I'll share it with you. And plus, it's a great way to save money, if you really think about it, especially for us hobbyist detailers, only do it on weekends or our own vehicles. So what we're going to be using is Wolfgang's Rinseless Wash right here. You can pick this up at Amazon for $19.99, and then you can make a gallon of detail spray with this with only 3 ounces. So that's great, save some money. So this stuff will last maybe about a year. And plus, too, what's nice about this, you can use this to clay bar your vehicle when you're getting ready, getting it prepped up for your polish and wax. That's what's nice too. You can make your own detail spray and use it as a for lubrication for a clay block right here. And that's a lot cheaper than buying like your regular products right here, detail spray. We got Adams, you know. This is a way to save money, especially for clay blocking. You know, you want to save your good stuff like your 007, stuff like that for your drying aids and things like that. And plus too, you can use this at car shows, get off your light dust and fingerprints, or if your vehicle's been sitting in the garage, it's got a little bit of light dust on it, and you can use this detail spray to wipe it off, and that's a great way, and use it as a drying aid. So let's get started. It's nice too with this Wolfgang bottle right here. It even has a squeegee. It goes 1 ounce. So we're going to be putting 3 ounces into 1 gallon of distilled water. Don't forget, use distilled water. And what I did is I had to take 3 ounces out of it because it's full to the rim on this brand. Get you a clean funnel right here. This is first time making this too, so I figured why not share it with you guys, and a good way to save some money for us to save some cash. I'm going to shake it up. Got it ready. I already have it on the 1 ounce. This is a brand new bottle. Let's open her up. We'll try it out. Try not to make a mess. There we go. Check this out. You can probably hear the dogs in the background playing. Trying to make a video and they want to play. So here we go. We're gonna pour this baby in here. Already got 1 ounce in, and we got 2. Ooh, it's pretty full. Maybe I didn't take enough out. It's gonna be close. A little bit more. Needs to be real close. Might have to take some out. Let's see. Gotta take a little bit more out. Ran out of room. Maybe take out about 3.5 ounces before you can put it in there. I add a little extra, not much. Figure why not. So there we go. Makes a gallon. Not bad. And plus too, don't forget, you can use this to wash your vehicle with rinseless water, like my other video if you want to check it out, with the Sudbox rinseless wash. If you want to check it out, same thing. So you can use this as that also. And so that's basically 2 things. A couple things you can use: a detail spray, use it for a clay block, and to wash your vehicle, and you have plenty left. Look at that. That detail spray will last me probably a year, maybe longer. It'd be nice too for clay blocking. And this is one top reason why I wanted to do this is for clay blocking. And I'm not using the expensive detail spray, and this stuff is a great product too. So you're basically kind of making your own expensive detail spray, in my opinion anyway. We do this for, you know, just on the weekends and that, and, you know, try to save some money. So this stuff cleans with, if you want to wash your vehicle, you can use it to enhance gloss and slickness. No holes required. If you'd like me to do a video on washing one of our vehicles with this rinseless wash, let me know in the comments and we'll make a video for you guys. But let's even on the bottle it says dilute 1 ounce per gallon of water to use as a clay bar lubricant. So yeah, you could probably dilute less, but I wouldn't. We want it to be nice and slick. So let's go try it out on a Jeep real quick. Now then we're going to use a Microsoft towel or one of my drying towels, and then get you a nice empty bottle, clean it up real good before you use it, let it dry out, and then you can have a nice spray bottle right here. These are just spray bottles I saved, and I clean them up real good. I use some vinegar and some dish soap, clean it up so you're not making sure it's really clean. So let's try this stuff out. Plenty left. Alright, let's go try it on the Jeep. Jeep's pretty much cleaned up. Alright, let's go. You might want to mark this, put this away if you have any kids, so they don't think it's Gatorade. Not Gatorade, but Kool-Aid or something like that, or, you know, never know. So label it up, guys, and put it up so the kids don't get it. Don't put it in the fridge. Okay, let's try it out on the Jeep, see how well it works. Shake it up. Make sure my spray's on. I can't tell. We'll try it out. There we go. Spray it down. You can spray it down pretty good. Get your Microsoft towel. Basically wipe it off. There we go. It's gonna get it nice and clean, so you can use it for a couple things. Streaking up a little bit, I'll go over it. I noticed too when the weather's cooler out, some of the products streak up a little bit. You don't have the room temperature on the product, but look at that, it came right out. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good. Fold your towel a couple times. There we go. Those are the results from it. Granted, the Jeep is already clean, so I mean we're gonna get it. Gave it a nice smooth feeling. Didn't do this side. Yeah, you can kind of feel the difference. This side none. Little drag here, none. No drag, but yep, works pretty decent. Use it for a couple of things. Got some water spots right here. Let's get that out. Oh yeah. Then you don't have to worry about scratching your vehicle. There you go. Okay guys, there you go. That's pretty much it for this video. Quick video. It's middle of winter. Figured I'll share this while it's warming up. I've been wanting to do this video for a while with Wolfgang and make your own detail spray. Hope you guys like it. If you want to check out, if you want us to do a rinseless wash with this product, let us know. We'll do it on one of the vehicles when it gets warm again. Or I'll even do it when it's kind of cold out too, for a winter cleaning. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. You guys have a great day. Later.